Meaning of dhow.
dhow,
Dhow.
dhow,
Dhow. A dhow is a traditional sailing vessel that has been used for centuries in the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian Ocean. The term dhow refers to a variety of designs, but most have a long, slender hull, a single mast with a lateen sail, and are made from wood. Dhows were commonly used for fishing, pearl diving, and trading, and many still operate today for tourism purposes. They are an important symbol of cultural heritage in the region and can be seen in various forms of traditional art and literature.